The biggest challenge educators face today is preparing students for the jobs that don't exist yet. With the rapid advancement of technology, many traditional jobs are being replaced by robots and AI. According to researchers, the key is to teach students how to face unknown challenges and prepare them for jobs that haven't even been created yet. This means that students need to be trained in creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurship, skills that cannot be taught in the traditional classroom setting. The solution to this challenge is to transform education institutions into innovation hubs. By creating an environment that encourages creativity and innovation, educators can help students develop the skills they need to succeed in the ever-changing job market. And now, there is a free guide available to help educators transform their institutions into innovation hubs. The Transforming Your Education Institution into an Innovation Hub, a step-by-step guide, can be downloaded for free by visiting www.innovation-hub.in. This comprehensive guide covers everything from creating a vision for innovation, to building a culture of innovation, to developing innovative teaching and learning practices. It's perfect for educators, administrators, and anyone who wants to make a positive impact on education. By transforming education institutions into innovation hubs, educators can help prepare students for the challenges of the future and ensure their success in the job market. So, visit www.ncvt.in today and download your free copy of Transforming Your Education Institution into an Innovation Hub, a step-by-step guide.